Hi. Let's learn about GAFAM stocks today. GAFAM is short for Google, Apple, Meta, formerly Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. These are 5 well-known US tech stocks. There is also another similar acronym, FANG, which includes Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. The main difference between these two acronyms is that FANG replaces Microsoft with Netflix. Both acronyms are used to identify influential US tech companies. GAFAM, along with other acronyms like FANG and BATX, represent companies that are very influential in their sectors and even impact the market as a whole. Alphabet Incorporated, Apple Incorporated AAPL Meta, formerly Facebook, Amazon.com Incorporated AMZN, and Microsoft Corporation MSFT, are the companies included in GAFAM, all of which are listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. The main difference between GAFAM and FANG is that GAFAM is more technology-focused, while FANG includes Netflix, which is classified as a consumer services and media company. Amazon is also considered a consumer services company but is a significant contributor to the technology space as well. Alphabet, Apple, Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft are considered major players in the technology industry. Many investors use these stocks as a barometer to gauge the performance of the entire technology sector. GAFAM stocks are sometimes used as a leading indicator of the performance of the sector. For example, if GAFAM stocks are performing well, it is likely that the entire technology sector is also doing well. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. GAFAM stocks include Google, Alphabet, Apple, Meta, formerly Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft, representing influential US technology companies. 2. FANG stocks also include Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and Google, but replace Microsoft with Netflix. 3. GAFAM is more technology-focused than FANG, as Netflix is considered a consumer services and media company. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.